right, it is 7:43 on your Monday. We're joining Ryan right now with a look at the forecast.
Certainly a beautiful start, guys, right?
Yeah, very calm conditions out there. It looks nice and sunny, too.
Yeah, very
nice
sunny.
sun.
Yeah, it's certainly going to be the big story over the next couple of days. Look at how beautiful it is right now in the tall city. We have current temperatures in the 40s. It'll be warming up primarily in the mid to upper 80s, along with, again, the mostly clear skies that we currently do see in the basin. So very dry out there, much warmer, especially as we head out and about this afternoon. And taking a look at the current satellite and radar, not much in the way of any clouds over the past several hours, very thin and few and far between in the eastern basin. That's going to be the big story over the rest of today and also into tomorrow as well. It's all courtesy of this warm front that's dividing the nation in half well off to our north, ushering in warmer air. And we do notice that we have way off to the north and west in the Pacific Northwest a low pressure system that's eventually going to move farther to the east, ushering in gustier winds and clouds, but no chances of rain later Tuesday and eventually into Wednesday. Last time we had over a 1/10 of an inch of rainfall was on August 17th. I'm not expecting much more chances of rain, so blowing dust will be the biggest concern on Wednesday. But for the short term, calmer winds and high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, well above average for this time of year. Have the short sleeve shirts later this afternoon, and we do notice that daily record high temperature all the way back in 1963 was also at 84 degrees. Near record high temperatures for today and also tomorrow will be the big story. Current temperatures primarily in the 40s right now in the basin. They'll be warming up by as much as 40 degrees warmer compared to what we're seeing right now. Some mid to upper 80s in the Trans-Pecos and also the southern basin as well. And not quite as cool for tonight compared to the past couple nights, primarily in the 40s across the basin, maybe even some lower 50s in the eastern half of the basin due to that, again, that warm front ushering in warmer air. I'm predicting a low temperature at 49 degrees with clear skies. Should be a very pleasant night out there with very light winds. Those winds, though, will start to pick up later this afternoon, though, before calming back down overnight tonight. Those gustier winds this afternoon will be mostly to our south and east, sustained from 15 to 20 miles per hour at times. But the gustier winds will be in the northern and western half of the basin, 20 to 30 mile per hour sustained winds with local areas of blowing dust, especially later tomorrow out ahead of our next cold front. Although the skies will be mostly clear with abundant sunshine, high temperature in the mid to upper 80s, maybe even a couple degrees warmer compared to today. So certainly feeling well above normal for this time of year. It's all due to an upper level ridge that is really in place across the northern half of the United States. We do see that very clearly within the jet stream and upper level pattern. But we do notice this developing trough will move farther to the east, closer into the basin later Tuesday and eventually into Wednesday, ushering our next chance of cooler air, high temperatures in the upper 70s and lower 80s on Wednesday, with local areas of blowing dust and rapidly dropping temperatures as much as 45 degrees or more cooler overnight in the 30s. Those temperatures warming up not too much for Thursday and Friday, primarily in the 50s and 60s.